So Metrology.net has over 427 procedures that come with it absolutely free. But before you can use any of those procedures, you first have to set up a station agent. Okay, once you've got your station set up, MSI, all you have to do is double click it and we'll start running the install process. Hit the next button, agree to the terms of the software. Go ahead and read through it real quick if you want to. Hit the next button, hit the next button. It's going to want to install it in C:_station agent. And then you're going to want everyone to be able to run this. So you hit next, next, and it's going to start the install process. You're going to have to run it in administrator mode. So quickly does the install. It's going to put two icons on your desktop. One is for the manager, the other one is for the service. The service is what you're going to run if you just want to run the station agent and collect cal data. You'll use the manager to come in and set things up with Metrology.net. So we'll start by double clicking on the manager. Give it a couple seconds to load because it's loading all the drivers that go with it. Now once it loads up, you're going to have a configure. So you click on configure and you click on server. And this up here is going to give you the name of the workstation that we're working with. So what we will do next is we'll reach over here and we'll go to what station agent or what server we're going to use. This is going to work whether you're doing it self-hosted or cloud-hosted with our services. This is going to be the same process. You're going to go over here to users and you're going to add in your new user. Now each station agent has to have its own login and password for it to run. So here we'll come in, we'll do an add user. We'll put in the station agent that we just installed. So in here we can see it's a Win10 VM1. So we'll come over here. We'll type in Win10_VM1, and then we'll do @CalLabSolutions. Now down here, we'll give it a name, Win10VM. We don't have to give it a last name, but you'll select your organization and it'll be auto-populated and you won't be able to see all the organizations. And now it's wanting a password. It's going to want a password here that is going to be a password that responds to these rules. So it's going to want one uppercase character, one lowercase character, one number, one character. So just because we're setting this up, we'll do a P@SS12345, and then we'll set this up as an agent. So now we'll save this. We'll copy this part of the URL, and then we'll go back to the setup. So inside of here, we're going to paste in the URL, take away everything that's after the URL. Then inside of here, we'll actually show this. So we password or the login we set to Win10_VM1 @CalLabSolutions.com. And then down here, we're going to set our password. So now, if we've got this right, we come to File, Local Agent, Start, and we'll see it start up and successfully log in. And we logged in successfully. So over here we can start looking at our configurations, and we've got nothing configured. I'm going to cover configuring a workstation in another video.